Welcome back, Spiritual Seeker. I'm V, and today we're diving deeper into our meditation journey. If you've been practicing the basics, I'm hoping you've been feeling some of the benefits already, like a bit more calm or clarity in your day-to-day. But what if I told you there's a way to take your practice to the next level and experience something even more profound? That's exactly what we'll be exploring today. Let's start with guided visualization, a powerful technique that can help you manifest your intentions, reduce stress, and tap into your subconscious mind. Now, guided visualization involves creating vivid mental images to evoke a positive emotional state or achieve a specific outcome. For example, imagine yourself on the beach, feeling the warm sun on your skin, hearing the waves gently crashing against the shore. You can also do this unguided, just visualizing from your own accord. That's when the experience becomes a bit more organic, when it's less structured, but can just be as profound because the visualization can now take you to places where you've never been before. I've had so many profound moments visualizing this way where I realized that my subconscious was trying to reveal to me certain things or give me a glimpse of my own desires, or as a way of getting to a place where my desires have come to pass. Visualization, guided or unguided, can definitely help you with that, and as well as getting some Zen along the way. Next, let's explore body scanning, a technique that helps you connect with your body, release tension, and cultivate awareness. You start by lying down or sitting comfortably. You close your eyes and take a deep breath, and then you begin to scan mentally your body from head to toe. You notice any areas of tension or discomfort, and with each exhale, imagine releasing that tension. This practice not only helps you relax, but also enhances the mind-body connection, making you more aware of how emotions manifest physically in your body. Body scans can also be good as a meditation primer, where you can use it at the top of your meditation session to get into the zone, or rather in a relaxed state. This paves the way for more vivid visualizations to take place and take root. As you continue to practice these techniques, you might start to notice something remarkable. Your meditation sessions gets deeper, your mind quieter, and even moments of your transcendence where you feel connected to something far greater than yourself. This is where meditation really starts to work its magic. But remember, this isn't about forcing an experience. It's about letting go, being present, and allowing whatever comes up to unfold naturally. When I start a meditation, I never impose an expectation on it. Sometimes I have a really transformative experience, and other times I just feel a little bit more calm. You'll get to the point where you readily sink into that relaxation state simply by doing a quick body scan, and you'll get to know when you're relaxed and can begin the visualization portion of the meditation. Visualization techniques have helped me do things like reset my energy for the day, open my heart center, and get more energy if I'm tired or connect to a higher power. I have to admit, before I got into meditation, I didn't know these things were possible, but this is the inner work, and it's an amazing journey to get to connect with your inner being, where God, higher power, the universe, or whatever you want to call it, is working through you and for you. At an intuitive level, you just know that these things just exist. And even though it defies logic from a 3D reality perspective or what science can explain, but the truth is immutable. And not only that, through deeper forms of meditation, it feels right from a visceral level that these energies of the universe exist and can be worked with so that you can have more of that vibing life, one filled with joy, peace, and calm. To truly experience the benefits of meditation, it's essential to integrate it into your daily life. Start small, 10 minutes in the morning or 10 minutes before bed. Over time, you'll find that meditation isn't just something that you do, it becomes part of who you are, a way to navigate life's changes with more grace and ease. I know it can be hard to create this habit, especially when the benefits aren't so clear cut in the beginning and you're finding your own way. Stick with it. Try different forms to see what works for you. There's plenty of guided meditations out there for specific purposes. that you can try out. But for the initial stages, start building a habit of anchoring to your breath and breathing intently. Aim for getting a bit of calm for your practice, and once you get that process down pat, you'll start to be naturally led to more deeper forms of meditation. Whether you're just beginning or deepening your practice, each session is a step closer to inner peace and clarity. If you want to check out part 1 of this video, I will provide the link to the description and put it right at the top here. These 2 videos together hopefully give you a roadmap to starting and deepening your practice. The most important thing is for you to start, at least, for at least 3 to 6 months, I would commit myself to, and see whether you're experiencing any benefit. And if you are, great, keep exploring other forms of meditation. And if not, great, keep exploring other forms of meditation. I would really encourage you to stick it out, because, it took me about 2 years of on and off meditation before I got to a point where I was transported to a new plane of existence, or had more of that transcended kind of experience. I think that I could only get there with consistency and also letting go, because I think each time I went into it, I'm kind of a high strung kind of person. So it took a while for me to get to a point where I could just relax, let go, surrender to the moment, and let the meditation guide me to where I needed to go. And it would take me to amazing, beautiful places. And I didn't even have to leave my living room. So I would implore you to explore. I would implore you to stick it out. And even if it's just a short time, but many times, as I like to say, and just keep going until forever, really, because it's a practice that stays with you always, and it's just up to you to cultivate it and mature it in a way that aligns with your evolution as well. So I've created a calming guided meditation video that you can use during your sit down, lay down meditation sessions. So this meditation is designed to help you relax, reset, and center yourself, whether you're starting out for the day or winding down. You can find the download link in the description below. That's it from me, guys. I hope you got something out of this video, and hopefully you'll click on the link and try the guided meditation, especially if you're just starting out. So that could be a really good way of just getting your toes wet in the world of meditation. And really, I just love connecting with you and sharing with you my journey so far. It's an ongoing process. I'm loving it. And if you have anything that you want to share or want me to talk about it through this channel, do let me know. Please drop a comment. And until next time, peace and light.